buy something. Go buy something like milk. Alright. Okay, milk. Okay. What am I talking about? I just wanna buy some. This is the one. Is malaki naman siya. Just this one. Alright. And then, pag mahilig ka sa ramen, andito ulit kasi actually. And then this one is I like this ramen and all kind of ramen. Meron din silang wasabi. I like the frozen food. Or just almost we're gonna go outside and explore the beautiful Korea. Nagugutom ako. Alright, finally I got my milk, so we're gonna go home. Alright, habang it's still red. Red kasi so we need to stop. But it's alright, I'm gonna cut. Yes, mga chaba, guys, magandang gabi, mga ka-fall sa inyo lahat. And of course, welcome back sa ating channel. Today is very special. Anong araw ngayon? Oh my God, it's Huwebes na. Bukas is Biyernes. Pagkatapos ng Biyernes, syempre, it's Sabado. Pagkatapos ng Sabado, it's Sunday. And after that Sunday, it's Monday. So today is special day. Tara, gala tayo. And gagawa na naman tayo ng vlog. I'm gonna show you right in here the beautiful ambience like in the night time. Even although like a morning. Talagang napakaliwanag. Tapon lang ako ng garbage. And after that, I'm gonna go in convenience store. I would like to buy some milk. You know, the milk is rich in vitamin. Hari ko, parang hinihingal ako. And of course, it's really good. The weather is so nice, and of course, like the afternoon is so humid and a little bit hot. But right now, it's alright. It's a little bit like cool. Pag the dumpster diving sana ako, but parang wala akong mapupulot. Uy, meron. But it's okay. So, tara, let's go. I'm gonna go to the convenience store. Right now is napakaliwali. Hiningal ako mga kaibigan. And of course right in here like the drive is so peaceful. And that's the right. That's way to Seoul. Hiningal ako. I wanna like sit down here for a while. But it's really good and this is the place I might stay. Yes, right in here. Sa mga gusto makipagkaibigan. Sa mga gusto makipag-eyeball. Andito lang ako. So it's still red. Pag sinabing red, it's a stop. So, hiningal ako, mahal kong kaibigan. It's really good. And it goes right now. It's a beautiful ambience. And it's really good. Sa ating mga travel cards, they're always fresh as insects sa ating mga auntie. Siyempre sa ating mga OFW, sa mga breadwinning award, we always inspired. Siyempre, never expired. Hinihintay ko lang siya. It's really good. Imagine that even although like late at night, and especially like madaling araw, lalo na sa gabi, it's like so bright. Hindi sila nagtitipid sa kuryente. Oh, di ba? It's really good. Kahit sa dilim, kitang-kita ka pa rin. So right now, pag summertime, saan natin gusto magpunta? We're wondering to go somewhere else. Or something like sa Pilipinas, meron like a summer job. And of course, in here in Korea, pag summertime, saan tayo pupunta, lalo na pag vacation, like pag Sabado. Well, pag Sabado is tagal naman niya. Pag Sabado is actually syempre busy mga party goer. Mahilig ka ba sa party go? Mahilig ka ba sa karaoke? And of course, mahilig ka ba sa mga beng-bang o ana-ana? I'm always joking. Syempre, we always inspire, never expire. The first thing is we have time. And parang puti na yung buhok ko. No? Puti na talaga yung buhok ko. It's really white na. Kailangan ko na talaga magtina or something ganyan. Parang hindi naman halata. Yan. Yan ganyan lang. Yan. Parang hindi masyadong halata. Parang naman ako, no. Halata na talaga siya. But it's okay. It's really good. And of course, we're gonna cross on the street. And right now, I'm gonna go to inside. Yes. Alisin ko lang yung aking tripod. Pag sinabing like green, Eddie green. And then, of course, we're gonna go inside. Because I'd like to buy some milk. para ipakita rin natin. So right in here they have a lot of like a product and special like a chocolate. Yes, special pag chocolate kasi is wala yung mga pepper. Pag chocolate is masarap na pasalubong, may liga ba sa mga noodles. Oh my god, andito ang mga noodles. So I'm gonna go buy something like milk. Alright, okay, milk. Okay, what am I talking about? I just wanna buy some. This is the one, is malaki naman siya. Just this one. Alright, and then pag mahilig ka sa ramen, andito ulit kasi accurate. And then this one is I like this ramen and all kind of ramen. Meron din silang wasabi, or like the frozen food. Or just almost we're gonna go outside and explore the beautiful Korea. Nagugutom ako. Alright, finally I got my milk, so we're gonna go home. Alright, habang it's still red. So we need to eat stuff, but it's alright. I'm gonna touch like a show around, and of course I'm gonna walk in here para nighttime adventure sa 724 hours in convenience store right in here in Korea. I think sa Pilipinas meron na rin sila. Meron na rin ang convenience store sa Pilipinas, like they're serving like 24 hours, and especially me, like pag nagugutom talaga ako, and I would like to go at the convenience store at para kumain. And of course it's really good. Marami din sila mga product like milk or some water, soda, or a lot of everything. And of course right now mga Jalakad is really quiet, like left to the right. And so, and of course dito ang bus. Imagine that they have a bus terminal in here. Dito hindi ikaw ang hindi ang bus ang maghihintay, ang tao maghihintay sa bus. And it was like on time, diba? Dito when you go to Quiapo, when you go to somewhere else. So mga Jalakad, tara na. It's a beautiful place and it's a beautiful ambience. Kahit asa labas ka, asa taas, talaga makikita mo ang ganda ng Korea. It's a beautiful, it's a lovely, lalo na yung mga lights nila. Well, I'm gonna walk and show you around right in here sa aking paboritong Great Wall of China. No, not the Great Wall of China, like this mini park. And sometimes I came down in here at para mamasyal. It's really good. Siyempre content din to. Balang araw magiging story na lang ang buhay natin. Look at that, beautiful. It's nagulat ako. Kala ko ano yun, mumo. This one is really good. Again, imagine that it look like you are in sa ibang planet. Like it look like you're in like 1950s. And look at that. And right in here, meron sila like pwede ka magduyan-duyan. It's really good. Pwede ka, like even although like at night is very safe. Walang bebeng-bang, walang mag-ana-ana. Nakatago lang sila. It's really good. Look at that. And then pwede ka mag-exercise. Diba? So mga Jalakad, it's really good. Hi, finally, it's almost like 7 minutes na ito. So 1 minute na lang, ako rin ay mamamahal na. Subscribe, leave, comment down below lang po. Siyempre, for our way to 300,000k subscribers, and of course, for our way to 300,000 followers on our Facebook, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. Sa ating new followers on our Facebook page, of course, welcome on board right in here in Korea. And of course, this is your Korean Angel. Never try to share my story. Malapit na ako sa aking uwian. It's like it's super bright, really. Like even although like late at night, it's really safe. Lalo na pag nag-walk ka on the street, it's really good. Diba? Ang daming sasakyan, nakapark lang sila. Diba? Wala tayong sasakyan. But anyway, ako yung mamaalam na mag-uli na. Eto, at least nakabili na ako ng gatas. The milk is rich in calcium.